Alright, here's a question for you. How much do you think a cloud weighs? Go on, take a wild guess. A few pounds? Maybe as light as a feather? Spoiler alert, clouds are way heavier than you'd ever imagine. Let's break it down. Picture those fluffy white cumulus clouds drifting overhead. They look like cotton candy, right? But what if I told you that the average cumulus cloud actually weighs about 1.1 million pounds? That's about as heavy as a fully loaded commercial jet or 100 elephants. So how do scientists even figure this out? Well, it's all about the math. First, researchers estimate the cloud's size, let's say around 1 kilometer long, wide and tall. Next, they look at cloud density. Even though clouds are made of tiny water droplets, that water adds up. In fact, there are about 0.5 gram of water in every cubic meter of a cloud. Now multiply that by the size of the cloud, billions of cubic meters, and boom, you've got 1 million pounds of water floating up there. But here's the wild part. If clouds are so heavy, why don't they fall out of the sky? It's all about physics. Those tiny droplets are spread out and so small that air currents can keep them aloft. Plus, as the droplets bump into each other and get bigger, gravity does its thing, and that's when you get rain. So next time you look up and see a puffy cloud, remember, you're looking at 1 million pound giant just floating above your head. Science is awesome, right? If you learned something new, hit that like button and stick around for more mind-blowing weather facts.